Okay, so I'm pretty sure that if you have hooded eyes, the most difficult thing is to get that perfect feline wing liner, and we're going to transform it from that to this. So I'm going to show you how to do this, so stay tuned. So hey y'all, I hope you're all are doing good. So we're back here for another tutorial on how to do a perfect wing liner, especially if you have a hooded eye and very less lid space. And the next thing is that the crease, which you can see for me, is extending all the way towards my outer corner, which makes it very hard to make your wings thicker at the outer corner. So I'm going to be doing this look by using a liquid liner from Sugar. So we're going to start at the outer corner, and remember that it should look like it is your lower lash line which is extending outwards. So the best way to do this is to just imagine that you're pulling a light from it at the same place the brush is placed right now. So that is the angle which we're going to be targeting. So I'm just going to use the liquid liner and create that line. Now, after you create this line comes the most important step which we're going to be doing right now. And this is to use the eyeliner in a way that it goes directly from the outer V of the eye till the crease. So you see my crease, which is a fold which is going into the area of the eyeliner. So we're creating a line there. Now after that vertical line, connect the top edge of it to the back part of the eyeliner. You can keep it thinner if you want to, no problem. And after you kind of fill in completely into that gap, we're going to do a basic liner like how we always do our basic liners. Keep it thinner, especially if you have lesser lid space, then that is going to cover your entire lid and the eyeshadow. So we're going to make it super thin like the basic liner. And then you have the vertical line. So from that, we're going to slowly pull that towards 2/3 of the eye. So when you pull that line in that place, you get the thickness without it going on top of the crease line and kind of looking very weird, So I'm just going to top it off with some mascara, and this is going to be the most easiest way for you to do your wing liners. And I hope this one was helpful for you. So I hope you try this one out and let me know how it went down in the comment section below. So give me some more ideas of what content you would like to see from me down in the comment section, and I'll see you guys for another one. Until next time, bye.